why the S Pen not fully seated in slot on your Samsung Galaxy S26 phone. Now you can see here it is protruding out a little bit. Now there are a number of different reasons why this may happen. The first thing is that maybe because there are dirt or debris inside the S Pen slot, or the S Pen could be inserted the wrong way, or there could be a slight wear on the click mechanism inside the slot, or it could be that the case is interfering with the S Pen. So if you have the case on, simply take off the case and remove the S Pen. Sometimes it is facing the wrong way, so you can see here the S Pen are not equally flat. So you can see here on one side it is thinner than the other side. So if you place it in the wrong way, then it will not be smooth with the frame, or it is not flashing with the frame. Here you can see once I put it in the right way, it is nice and flat and shows a smooth surface. If I remove it and place it in the wrong way, in the opposite side, then it will protrude out a little bit on the corner right there. So if you're seeing that, then simply just take it out, inspect the slot, make sure there are no dust or debris, and turn it to the other side. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.